Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Kindly subscribe to this channel for good contents like this and many more. I intend to create helpful content to provide tips for prospective international students and everyone looking forward traveling abroad. If this is something that interests you, subscribing to this channel will be helpful. Don't forget to give each video a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends and family. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit a picture correctly for the DaVinci. By the aid of Photoshop, I will be guiding you through background separation of a picture, changing the background color, and how to get the required size of 600 by 600 pixels. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Kindly open your Photoshop app. After opening, this is how the interface of the Photoshop looks like. You have to upload your picture you want to work on. Move your mouse cursor to File, left click on it. Also left click on Open. At this stage, you will now have to locate where your picture is so you can start working on it. In this case, I have named my picture DV Test 1, so I'll go ahead and click on it. Before we change the background color, you would have to separate the image or the subject from the background. This is how you're going to go about it. Move your mouse cursor to the selection tool on your left click, move it all around the subject until every bit of space is covered around the object. Now that we have selected the subject from the background, we are going to check if we have correctly selected every bit of the image. You're going to go ahead and press Q on your keyboard. As you can see, all this portion has been covered except here, which is still exposed, and except here, which is also exposed. I'm going to go ahead and go back by pressing the Q and making sure all parts are highlighted successfully. Now, if you would like to delete some unwanted portions from your picture, kindly press the Alt key on your keyboard and left click. Left click by holding the mouse throughout the picture. This will remove all unwanted parts of the picture. Secondly, move your mouse cursor to select. Left click on it and select Redefine Edge. This one will show you how your image will look when the background is changed. Therefore, the background has automatically changed to white. Move your mouse cursor to the right where it says Output to. Left click on that option and select New Layer Mask. Go ahead and press OK. As you can see, the background has been separated from the subject. Now go ahead and select the white background. Move your mouse cursor to the bottom part of your Photoshop application, click on this, select solid color. This is where we are going to choose our color. In our case, we want a white background, therefore we move our mouse cursor to the extreme left of the color view. Click there and it gives you a white background. Go ahead and press OK. Now click on the background copy of the image, drag and place it on top of the fill color. As you can see, I have a white background ready. The next thing you are going to do is to crop the picture by getting the right size, 600 pixels by 600 pixels. Again, move your mouse cursor to the left hand side and select the crop tool. Go ahead and select the ratio aspect, clean this and write 600 by 600. After entering 600 by 600 on the upper part of the Photoshop screen, go ahead and position the image like the way I have done here. Make sure the first line that cuts across be on the eyes and the second be under the chin. Therefore, I'm going to have to readjust this picture so it fits that. So guys, as you can see, everything lines up perfectly now. Go ahead back to the crop tool, select crop, and it will automatically crop your picture for you. Go ahead, click on File, select Save As, enter a name you would like, choose the format of JPEG, go ahead and save. Now finally, you can use this picture for whatever you want to use for, as it qualifies for any American visa application. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.